Hi there, I'm Dr. Yasuda Rainey, and I'm here to tell you about Kettenbox has a new product, which is their Visalys Bulk Flowable. It comes in your traditional regular flowable syringe, or it even comes in this capsule that looks like this. You take the cap off, and it has a tiny little tip. And for someone like me that really loves using warmed composite, I can load one of those right into a composite warmer, turn on the heater, and it still has that super nice tip that gets into all those hard to reach places. Something great about a bulk flow like this is that it has a 4 millimeter depth of cure, which is really important for some of those deeper class twos. We are not really quite sure that you can see around all those nooks and crannies. So having something with a super fine tip to get in all those places, plus that I can warm it up, it allows the viscosity to be something that works really well for me. It comes in a universal shade, so it can be used kind of all across the board, and it really does stay true to that sort of chameleon effect. So if you're looking for a new bulk fill flowable, check it out.